Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to find Trendyol promo codes. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Chrome browser. So after opening your browser, what you're going to do is go to the search bar right here and start typing Trendyol coupon codes. So after typing it, now tap on the enter button on your keyboard. And now here you can see there are multiple websites that provides Trendyol coupon codes, but I'm going to choose this discountdeal.ae because it is a legit website and it provides legit coupon codes. So click on this link and this will take you to the website of discountdeal.ae, and in here you can see there are multiple coupon codes of Trendyol's. Here there's 15% off, 70% off, and there is free shipping, 80% off, and many more. I'm going to choose this 15% off because you can see this is legit and verified. So I'm going to click on the show code, and then this will show you the code. Here you can see this is the coupon code of Trendyol, and if you want to just copy this code, click on copy. You have now successfully copied the code, and if you want to go to the Trendyol right now, what you're going to do is click on go to the store, and this will take you to the official website of Trendyol. Here you can see this is the official website of Trendyol. Now here you can select your country and log into your account and then use the coupon code that you just copied, and that is it. That is how you can get your Trendyol coupon codes. Very easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.